Welcome to our webinar, Assessing Your Workplace and the Rise of Pack and Ship. Let's start with the introduction of our panel members.
I'm Glenn Cox. I'm a facility sales specialist. I work out of Calgary, Alberta, and my territory is Southern Alberta. I've been in the industry for 13 years.
Hi, my name is Cassandra McCutcheon. I'm a strategic account leader working out of Ontario, servicing the GTA area, and I've been with Staples Professional for 20 years.
Hello, Barry Seminoff, facility sales specialist based out of Mission, BC. I've been in the industry for about 17 years.
And I'm John Zupan, the National Trainer for Facilities, and I've been in the industry for about 40 plus years. The way we work has drastically changed, causing workplaces to adjust, adapt, and search out new products and ways to do things. Today, we're going to discuss the evolutions in cleaning and disinfection, e-commerce and pack and ship, PPE and antigen testing, simple changes that yield maximum results, scheduling, air quality, higher productivity with reduced expenses, and how to maximize efficiency. Glenn, can you talk to the evolution of cleaning and disinfection?
Yes, John. With shared workspaces, a lot of companies have moved towards providing their employees with their own method of disinfecting their area. A pre-moistened disinfection wipe can help provide that level of reassurance for employees when they can wipe down the high touch points of a workstation themselves. There are many different types of disinfection wipes out on the market with varying levels of kill claims. Our facility supply specialists at Staples Professional are here to help determine the best product suited for the surfaces you wish to disinfect and what viruses or pathogens you're looking to kill.
One of the things we did was take GBAC Training, which is the Global Biorisk Advisory Committee, provided through the ISSA. It consisted of understanding and using 6 key functions or protocols: incident risk assessment, so quality control and audit, pre-disinfection protocol, load reduction, forensic cleaning, final disinfection, and post-site assessment and quality control. Glenn, what were some of the processes or protocols you implemented?
Well, this certification sets our facility specialists apart as individuals with a better understanding of the science of infection prevention. This training helps our team to implement effective long-term plans to reduce the spread of diseases like COVID-19. Our facility specialists are trained to perform site audits or to create an internal audit program to ensure a clean and safe work environment. Antigen testing is a quick and easy test for COVID. This allows for employees or students to have the peace of mind to be able to self-test at home symptoms. This one simple step can help to prevent a possible outbreak in the workplace or classroom. Electrostatic disinfection is one of the more interesting examples of technology advancing cleaning programs. Electrostatic sprayers provide an electrical charge to the disinfectant solution, giving wraparound, effective, and even coverage. One person with an electrostatic sprayer can cover large areas efficiently and quickly with the confidence in knowing the electrically charged solution has contacted all surfaces. Compared to a regular sprayer or fogger, an electrostatic sprayer saves time, does not get the surfaces overly wet, and doesn't require the area to be closed off like it would be with a fogger. Masks have become a routine part of our day these past 2 years. Masks help provide that barrier to protect from droplets and sprays that may contain germs. It is recommended that you wash or sanitize your hands before and after putting on your mask. Antimicrobial surface protection is another topic that has come to light much more over the past couple of years due to the pandemic. Staples has partnered with ViRepel, which is an antimicrobial copper adhesive film that can be custom cut and applied to high-touch surfaces. This is a maintenance-free, constant protection against dangerous cells, including coronavirus. It's completely safe and non-toxic for human interaction. As we mentioned in the previous slide, many companies are now providing employees with quick, easy, effective cleaning solutions like a pre-moistened disinfectant wipe. Airborne and aerosol transmission of viruses does pose a significant threat. An air purifier with HEPA filtration protects against concentrations of airborne contaminants and has proven to be 99.99% effective against coronavirus. There are many different options when it comes to buying an air purifier. These range from small portable units that can be set on a counter and plugged into a wall outlet, or they can be wall mounted and hardwired. Our facility specialist, Staples Professional, are here to help provide information to determine the best air purifier for the size and space needed.
Clinton, you had mentioned testing. Could you go into greater depth with that?
Sure, John. Well, rapid tests, they're a tool in the fight against spreading COVID in school or the workplace. Many parents in Canada have probably already had some kits sent home from school.
I've got mine right here.
I've got mine right here.
Thanks, Barry. So rapid antigen testing is a simple, quick, and easy test. If someone's feeling unwell, they can avoid having a classroom or a workplace disrupted by COVID. These tests can be administered at home or at work.
Barry, Glenn brought up electrostatic disinfection. I know you've done a lot of work in this area. Can you discuss what it is and the benefits?
Thank you, John. The electrostatic sprayers have helped overall cleaning and disinfection process evolve. We now have access to completely touchless, handheld cordless electrostatic sprayers from Victory Innovations. Electrostatic sprayers provide a positive electrical charge to the disinfectant solution, giving a wraparound effect, full 360-degree coverage to all hard surfaces. Here are some of the most common questions we get asked. Why would I choose a Victory sprayer over a fogger? Foggers spray smaller particles, giving uneven disinfection, and return to use of the area should be a minimum of 3 to 4 hours up to a full day. With the Victory sprayer positively charged particles, you'll get a 360-degree coverage, and the room is safe to re-enter once dried. How long does it take to dry? The Victory sprayer has 3 settings: a 40 micron, which takes about 4 to 5 minutes to dry, an 80 micron setting, 8 to 10 minutes, and a 110 micron setting for 12 to 14. For choosing which setting to use, you need to consider both the weather conditions and which disinfectant you have. For your disinfectant to be effective, you need to make sure that it has the proper dwell or dry time. How long will a battery last? Battery charge will last for up to 4 hours of continuous use. Did you know a Victory sprayer can save you money? Victory sprayer versus a spray bottle will save you chemical usage by up to 65%, and you can get an even 360-degree encapsulation of the surfaces and cover 70% more square footage per hour. With increased labor efficiency of 70% and chemical savings of 65%, this can have such an impact with the market, labor, and product shortages. Get a lot more with less. John, could you play the video, please?
Certainly.
Where sanitation is vital, traditional methods of cleaning and sanitizing these workplaces and environments was not as effective as it could be. That's why we started Victory Innovations, to create a new method of chemical application. We started by developing the first professional cordless handheld electrostatic sprayer, which revolutionized the way large-scale sanitation jobs were handled. Our handheld design allows for hours of spraying time without the inconvenience of dragging a cord. We designed it to cover more surfaces, to spray less liquid, and to save time and labor, which means our sprayer will save you money while outperforming traditional means of sanitizing. After the success of our handheld sprayer, we realized the next step would be to develop a solution for any size job that would be fast without sacrificing performance. Leveraging our patented and proven technology, we developed the Victory Innovations Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer. On a single tank of fluid, a professional can cover up to 8,000 square feet with our cordless backpack model. At Victory Innovations, regardless of the size of the job, we have your sanitation solution.
Cassandra, I know you assisted a major Canadian retailer with their e-commerce and pack and ship program. Can you tell us about it?
I sure can, John. Thanks for asking. We had discussed the possibility of an e-commerce program prior to the start of the pandemic, and we're slowly exploring our options. And then the world changed. I got the call that our partner was looking to get their e-commerce program off the ground as soon as possible. With an eye on consolidating the number of boxes required for the program, keeping shipping costs low, reducing labor and mitigating damages, we conducted our audit. We were able to introduce smaller box sizes for a better fit and eliminated the need for bubble wrap and other costly fills. We introduced pre-stretch wrap and a full maintenance program for the machines. In addition to that, we provided training for the pack and ship team on how to pack boxes to reduce labor costs and damage rates.
Can you expand on some of the things you were able to change?
Sure can, John. Once you have the right box for the product, you may need to fill a small amount of empty space to avoid product shift during transit. Many people turn to bubble wrap or styrofoam, but these products will drive up the cost of your e-commerce program and do not tell a good environmental story. But there is an alternative fill. It's fully recyclable and less expensive. Craft void fill. When packed correctly, this will prevent product shifting during transit, driving down your damage rate, and ensuring that your customer receives your product in mint condition. For large volume e-commerce programs, our experts can provide void fill dispensing machines, making the packing process quick and efficient. So we have our product in the right box based on product size and weight. We have eliminated any remaining empty space utilizing craft void fill. Now we need to get that box sealed up and ready to make its journey. Next slide, please, John. You may reach for your standard plastic pressure-sensitive carton sealing tape to seal your box. After applying several layers to ensure a secure bond and pressing down on the top of the box, your box is ready to go out the door. But you've used a lot of tape, a lot of manpower, and is the box theft and tamper resistant? Being theft and tamper resistant and requiring less tape to produce those results, water-activated tape is the solution, and it opens up a world of marketing opportunities. Everyone looks at the tape when opening a box. Consumers are not looking for your logo on the side of the box. They're looking at the tape as they're opening the box. Printed tape can be designed not only to promote your brand, but to promote campaigns as well. Doing something big for Canada Day or Black Friday, there's a tape for that. Keep your standard brand tape and take the opportunity to promote your new campaign. Water-activated tape drives down packaging costs, is theft and tamper resistant, and on top of all of that, can promote your brand and campaigns, driving your business forward. Who knew tape could do so much?
Well, that actually sounds rather extensive. Was there anything else you did to help the customers?
Absolutely, John, there was. The introduction of pre-stretch wrap. Some of you may be familiar with pre-stretched wrap. This wrap is pre-stretched during the manufacturing process. This process produces a wrap with better memory, naturally tightening around your boxes, providing a consistent, uniformed wrap, eliminating load instability with less layers. This product is 2/3 the weight of traditional wrap with double the strength, helping to reduce injuries incurred while wrapping. During our audit, we wrapped a couple of skids utilizing the traditional wrap, strength tested and weighed it, and then we did the same exercise with pre-stretch. This is amazing. The pre-stretch resulted in 30 to 35% reduction in usage with a clear film allowing for easy inspection. Your wrap is now working to save you money, reduce your labor costs, and your risk of injury. John, can you play the video, please?
Certainly.
Are you looking for a safer, greener, and more practical way to secure your product to the pallet? Specifically engineered to put the performance of expensive automated pallet wrap machines into the palm of your hand, Precision Wrap XL is the most effective portable dispenser and film solution on the market today. Designed to be used standing and walking forward around the pallet, Precision Wrap XL is not only safer to use, but it greatly reduces bending, fatigue, and back strain for all users. An eco-friendly dispenser, Precision Wrap XL is coreless, eliminating the waste of traditional paper cores. Built to endure industrial environments, Precision Wrap XL is easy to use and delivers results when faced with challenging wrap conditions. Specifically designed to protect the film, the dispenser can be stowed upright, lying down, or stuck to a metal surface. Using pre-stretched film and innovative roller stretch technology, the system ensures the film is consistently stretched 35%, regardless of user effort and wrapping speed. Precision Wrap XL guarantees superior application and load containment every time. Contact us today. Find out how you can get your own Precision Wrap XL dispenser for free.
Cass, you had mentioned injury, which brings me to PPE. Sorry. Barry, can you discuss the evolution, so to speak, of masks and the mitigation of spread?
Absolutely, John. A mask is very good at keeping your respiratory droplets and particles from infecting others. Wearing a mask can also help prevent germs that come from another person's respiratory droplets from getting into your nose and mouth. Since the coronavirus can spread through droplets and particles released into the air by speaking, singing, coughing, or sneezing, masks are still a good idea in crowds and public indoor spaces. To be effective, the mask needs to conform to your face without gaps. It is important that most of the air you breathe in and out flows through the mask rather than around the mask through gaps at the sides, top, or bottom. Through the last 2 years, we have seen an evolution in masks, starting with cloth masks. Started with 1-ply, then 2-ply, then a 3-ply, where the third layer was a polypropylene layer to act as a filter. Then we get into the surgical style masks and the respirators. I want to explain the difference between the surgical masks. So a level 1 surgical mask is 95% bacterial and particulate filtration. Level 2 mask has 98% bacterial and particulate filtration. And a level 3 is also 98% bacterial and particulate filtration with an extra fluid protection. Now on to the respirators. KN95s are closely related to N95s. N95s are the North American standard, while KN95s are the standard in China for these close-fitting filtration devices. Both are rated to filter out contaminants like dust, mist, fumes, up to 95% of micron particles as small as 0.3 microns, and large droplets will not pass through this barrier, according to the Centers for Disease Control. Next slide, please.
Are disposable masks better?
Yes, John, certified disposable masks are better. A big misconception is that disposable masks are made of paper. They're actually made of polypropylene, with an inner and outer layer made of spun-bound material, and the middle layer is melt-blown to help capture particulates. However, there is a downfall to the disposable masks: the waste. We have all seen them littering the ground and in the landfill. Because they are made of polypropylene, they should be collected and recycled to make new PPE or plastic goods, which we can help with our life cycle PPE collection program. Back to you, John.
Glenn, earlier you mentioned air purification. Can you discuss the benefits?
Sure, John. Let's go to the next slide. As we can read from this slide, indoor air can be up to 5 times dirtier than the outside air. Air purifiers have benefits beyond cleaning the COVID virus out of the air. Older buildings can have mold or bacteria or odors from various sources. Cleaning supplies or paint or office equipment contain VOCs, which stands for volatile organic compounds. An air purifier also scrubs these types of pollutants out of the air, including allergens, which can trigger asthma, especially in young children. You can rest assured that purchasing an air purifier is an investment that will provide benefits far beyond protection against our current situation with COVID.
Well, I want to thank our panel members for their contribution today. Please feel free to post any questions you may have in the chat.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye now.